It's been 4.5 weeks since I planted my original seeds, and I've already harvested my mixed lettuces and my Tropicana a week ago. I cut them at their base, and you can see all this growth that has happened already within a 6-day time period. That's looking great. My arugula I have not harvested yet, but I do plan to do that with the next harvest. I wanted to give an update on my cantaloupe. So I planted this seed 4.5 weeks ago, and today I see my first flowers. You can see a flower here, and then I see one right there. So this plant is looking gorgeous. My tomatillo plant has really gotten a lot bigger this past week or so. My edamame plant is growing very, very quickly. Everything else is looking great. I'm really happy. My basil has come out of the cup there. You can see how big it really is. That's ready. I could start harvesting that now. So we're looking really good. My romas that I planted 2 weeks after my original seeds, they're growing rapidly once I transplanted them down in here. You can see all those beautiful leaves on there. My cilantro is looking great. This is my parsley that was planted about 2.5 weeks ago. It's looking great as well. So looking really wonderful.